The average of 5 distinct scores has the same value as the median of the 5 scores. The sum of the 5 scores is 420. What is the sum of the 4 scores that are not the median? If you'd like to work this problem on your own, please pause the video now. Now it tells me I've got an average of 5 distinct scores. That means they're all different. And it tells us that it is the exact same as the median of the 5 scores. Well, we know the sum. What does sum mean? That is the answer to an addition problem. If I added all 5 scores up, I would get 420. So to find the average, what do? We add all the scores up and then divide by how many there were. So that's all I have to do. If the sum is 420 and I divide that by the 5 different scores, then that tells me the average is 84. So this would be the average. Now it wants to know what is the sum of the 4 scores that are not the median. Well, again, it tells us 84 is the average, and we know 84 is also the median because the average is the same as the median. So I could take 84 out of that 420. So 420 minus 84, that would give me a value of 430. Nope, excuse me. That would be 336. So the sum of the 4 scores without the median, that was 84, would give 336. So the correct answer is H.